Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1968 Pontiac Firebird that's made by Lane Exact Detail in a 1/18 scale. That's an awesome model, really. And if you like those cars, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to give me your thumbs up, and to click the bell for news. We have here some features of this car. It used to feature a 400 cubic inch engine with 330 HP. And it was a very nice car at this time, and I'm not going to read it through, but we can see several specifications in this box here. I can put them in the description. So let's take a better look at this car. Let's unbox it and let's go on. And here we have the Pontiac. That's a 68 Firebird. It's a very nice car. It really looks like a Camaro and made in a very nice color. We have the Camaro lines, basically the 68 Camaro lines, and different front end, different rear end, fake air intakes, Pontiac logo, but basically a Camaro with Pontiac fins. And as we look at the front of the car, we can see the front grille and the headlights that look very realistic. Pontiac logo, the bumper, which is actually a grill mold. It looks very nice, and it's very well made in this car. And this front looks very realistic with a Pontiac badge, air intakes 400. As we open the hood, which opens very well, we can see the engine bay and the engine, a 400 cubic inch engine with a 330 HP, and all details are supposed to be there. The valve covers, the cables and wires, the hose, the water hose, the water pump, the pulleys, and the alternator, battery and the cables, the brake system, the hood itself, which is very well made in the right color, and the hinges, which are not actually like the real ones, but very good. Factory sticker and the front panel with a grill that are very nice and accurate components that really look nice. This hood closes correctly, looks very nice. This is a very nice detail about the antenna, which is a metal rod actually that you stick in there. It stays there, and then you remove it and put it back in the box. As we look at the vinyl texture for the vinyl roof, the trim and the handle and lock, which are actually separate pieces, the trim around the wheel wells, and as we open the passenger door, that opens like the one in the real car, as we can see here. We can look at this black interior with wood grain on the dashboard and the central console. Looks very nice. The seat, it looks like leather, and the tilt, they have a seat lever right there. The back seat with the seat belts and the headliner. It's a black headliner, and as we look, we can see the courtesy line in the center. Looks very realistic. Sun visors, the mirror, the dashboard. One more look at the dashboard, and as we close the door, we can see it closes correctly with no misalignment, and the air intake, the fake air intakes. A rear window with the trim and the vinyl roof. The trunk lid, little styrofoam. Pontiac logo and a 400 logo, and the gas cap and the tail lights and the bumper and the license plate that look very realistic. And as we open the trunk, we can see this very nice trunk with a spare tire and the pump, the cylinder and the jack underneath, the mat, the hinges, and the trunk lid that closes correctly. One more look at the lines, the wheels and tires. The PMD, I think it stands for Pontiac Motors Division. I'm not quite sure of it, but they look very realistic and very nice. I really like those rims, the chrome rims, and all details in his wheel. It's a mirror, and as we open the driver's door, we can take a better look at the interior. One more look. You can see the seat belts and the seat that really looks like leather. The gauges, steering wheel, the seat belts with the buckles, and the pedals, the brake and the gas and the clutch. Wheels, Firebird and Firebird logo, and the blinkers, the front blinkers, they're right here in the front corner. Wheels and tires, and the bottom of a car that looks very nice. It's a unibody compact car. It's a punny car. And as we look, we can see the brake systems, mufflers, and tranny, and engine, drive shaft, which is fixed. It doesn't spin really, but rear suspension, the mufflers, gas tank. Looks fantastic, really. Drive shaft. Brake lines, wheels and tires, the engine, the cables, and the exhaust manifolds, the front suspension. Really looks very nice. So I really like those Pontiac cars. I really like this model car. So from 0 to 10, I would give it a 10, really, no doubts. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views. Please don't forget to leave your comments below, to give me your thumbs up, to share this video, and to subscribe my channel. And as usual, thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.